How to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is a common cause of lag and connectivity issues in games like Brawl Stars. If your router supports dual band, try switching to 5 GHz band for a faster and more stable connection. After that, try closing the background apps. Running multiple apps in the background can cause your device to lag, especially when playing online games. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe up on Brawl Stars and other apps to close them. Once done, simply tap on the General, scroll down, tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset Network Settings. After you reset all network settings, then go back to the home screen. Now try uninstalling your Brawl Star game. Uninstall it and reinstall it. If none of these work, then the issue is reinstalling the game can often help clear up any app related bugs. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.